Hello, good evening, guys. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, I will discuss about what is auto accident attorney in California. So, we discuss about the topic: how much do car accident lawyers charge in California? It is 33 to 40% of the settlement amount a client receives. So, do I need a lawyer for a car accident in California? Yes, of course. Call an experienced car accident lawyer if the other party is at fault and you want to sue for damages. It's a good idea to call a lawyer and let them know about your situation. Most personal injury compensation lawyers offer free consultation, so make the most out of it. So let's start. What is California car accident lawyers? There is some review of car accident lawyers in California, and so don't want to contact GJEL after a car crash or California car accident lawyer. As we travel the roads and freeways in California each day, we usually trust that we will arrive at our destination without incident. Yet every day, careless drivers cause hundreds of accidents on California roads, which lead to countless injuries and fatalities. Fortunately, accident victims are able to file a claim against the other driver's insurance in order to cover the cost of medical bills, lost wages, and other financial damages caused by the accident. Mason law was founded by Martin Gasparin to protect innocent drivers in the aftermath of these difficult situations. So, California car accident injury claims process. Step 1, call for a free consultation. Step 2, describe your accident details. We will then discuss your legal options and decide whether to move your case forward. Step number 3, retain Mason law with no upfront fees. We work on contingency, no attorney fees unless you win your case. So, step 4, receive your compensation. We will fight for you to earn the highest possible payout for your damages. So, free car accident consultation. If you have been the victim of a serious collision caused by another driver, don't leave your accident claim in the hands of an insurance adjuster. Contact Mason Law no matter where you are in California for a free, no obligation evaluation of the circumstances of your case. By having legal representation, you let an insurance company know that they can't dismiss your physical, emotional, and financial hardships. Schedule your free consultations. Do you really need a car accident lawyer in California? Yes. After you have been in a traffic accident on a California freeway, city street, or back road, it's fair to ask if you need a personal injury lawyer. The answer depends on the consequences of your collision. You may have been shaken up, but if your accident involved mainly property damage, getting fair treatment while your car damage is evaluated should not prove too difficult. Insurance companies have largely standardized the process to get cars repaired or replaced. It's an entirely different case when you or a loved one are seriously hurt in an accident. A personal injury lawyer can prove crucial in getting the compensation needed to pay for recovery when another driver is at fault. His or her insurance company should be responsible for every medical cost and lost paycheck you endure. You should call a personal injury attorney when you have been badly injured in an accident. Adjuster want to blame you for part of an accident when you are not at fault. Your accident involves multiple parties or is complex. Your accident was caused by a professional driver like a big rig truck drive or ride-share driver. It's also important to seek the counsel of a skilled personal injury lawyer if you have been in an accident involving a government employee or a public transportation vehicle. Accidents involving city, state, or federal agencies can be especially complicated and often provide much tighter deadlines for victims to file an injury claim. So, how much is a car accident injury case worth? Many factors play a role in how much compensation you receive after a car accident. It's impossible to predict an exact amount because every accident case is so different. Injuries, even the same types of injuries, can all heal very differently and require more or less in medical care and medical expense. One of the key factors in determining the value of your claim is how much your injury changes your lifestyle and for how long. Here are a few of the factors that can affect your car accident settlement. So, um, can I file a car accident lawsuit on my own? Injured victims in California are legally allowed to file a lawsuit and represent themselves in court if they choose to do so. So, it is not recommended that you file your lawsuit unless you have some knowledge of California state law and counter room proceeding. You will have to know how to collect and present evidence that proves your case. You will have to know what to ask witness and how to submit their testimony. Even if you are somewhat familiar with the legal system, it's still a difficult challenge to present yourself. A vast majority of lawsuits never reach a counter room and end up settled outside of court. This can also leave people representing themselves at a disadvantage. So, common types of car accidents in California: accidents involving cows, accidents involving pigs, accidents involving horses, accidents at intersections, accidents at night, delivery drivers, DUI accidents, farm vehicle accidents, hit and run accidents, failure to yield or stop, head on accidents, hit and run accidents, rear end accidents, ride share accidents, T-bone accidents, texting and diving accidents, etc. So we have discussed today auto accident attorney California. So we close our topic today, and thanks for watching. Take care. Goodbye.